Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy, here we go, making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy.
Alright, what up? Rainy day, and it's hot, and then it dries out. It's like full-blown summer rain. Weird. It's like living in Florida. It's Maryland, and then tomorrow we're supposed to get like down in the 30s. I don't get it. But anyway, I just wanted to point this out. Yeah, so I can't cut the grass because there's a bird's nest right here. And I don't want to disturb them. I cut it low last time. So this is going to be a tall grass when I get to cut this. I'll be one of those cool guys on the internet that does, on YouTube, that does all those high yards. I got my own yard. Someone's going to say something. I don't get this thing done soon. So I don't know. I might try the back part of the yard, but I really don't want to scare these birds, and then I'm afraid of running them over if they're out here. So, well, again, I'll get you a POV view of this one. I'm not going to film too much. Every single yard is overgrown. I don't understand this. Every yard is always overgrown. They're not over the lawnmower, they're over the deck. Some spots is pretty tall. Man, I got to cut this grass every single week now. I'm thinking five days. I don't know what the hell happened here to this yard. It used to never do this. Now he fertilized the crap out of it. And, well, I put soil in this yard too, but he's fertilized it, and it's finally coming up and it's working right. He's doing what he needs to do to it. It's looking good. Seed and fertilize. It's working. Of course, this is the county mix, and so he's got field grass. And it's some of the hardest stuff to cut. Oh, there you go. I didn't disappoint you. Oh, no gas. Completely empty. Last job of the day, I just completely forgot. Bone dry. No gas at all. I might have to re-siphon it. Yeah, each side takes a complete 5 gallons. That's crazy. Alright, so what we're looking at here is the backyard. I have a video for every week that I've been out here, and I have not been able to post it. So I might put one together of every week coming out here, or I'm going to do it from the first time I was out here. But this is a pinball machine yard, and I've learned this yard. There's a million different ways to do it, but you kind of go with the flow. It's works better, and I'm able to double, triple, quadruple, multiple, gazillion, gajoogles, triple cut this yard right here by doing this. So I apologize for the leg shot there, and yeah, I was just trying to hold the phone, keep calling it camera, but you see, I try to plan my path out so I'm not stopping as much and just keep moving, and it seems to be the fastest way to cut the grass. It's almost like defeating the purpose of the zero turn. It's almost cutting like you have a regular Forrest Gump mower, but hey, it's actually faster, believe me, especially when you have no room to really make a proper 3-point turn and turn around. You just rut the shit out of this yard if you keep doing that. So yeah, you gotta just go with the flow. It's kind of cool. I like watching this sometimes. It's almost like taking icing off a cake or something. It's just like layering it, just stripping down the grass, like just like it's almost like shaving or something. It's kind of like you're just like shaving off a whole entire swath of grass because it's so thick. It's crazy. And you got a new truck, and try not to mess it up. But yeah, and also planning where the shootout is. I don't have a shoot blocker yet, and so that's fun, especially when they're home and they're watching you. So, but yeah, this is one of these yards. I love doing it, and I just like doing it. I don't really care. I mean, if I don't have time, this is a fun yard to cut. And hey, maybe I'll stop talking. You guys can watch it for once. So come along for the ride, and thanks. Yeah, check out this skill. Backing up with the phone in my hand, one-handed. Now that's skill. I gotta admit that. I'm kind of proud of myself there. Alrighty, so thanks for watching. This is the yard. I'm going to show a lot of this yard. Every time I come out, it's thick. Been doing it every week and a half. It looks like I'm going to have to do this every week, but I've got high grass at this job every time I come out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next cut.